Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I customize my desktop like this using a very cool software called Nexus. And guys, before starting this video, please give this video a like and of course please subscribe my channel with the bell. After that has been said, let's get on with the video. So guys, I put my applications to my desktop as a normal desktop look like, and then you need to download this Nexus software. You can click the link in the description box of this video. As you can see, once you click that link you will go to this download page. Once you scroll down a little bit you will get this download button. Actually there is two versions, the free one and the paid one, but I download the free one, so I'm just click on download and then it will start downloading to your computer. So as you can see, it like 37 megabyte file. Okay guys, once your download is complete, just click on show in folder. As you can see, it download as a zip folder, so I'm just gonna extract using WinRAR. Okay guys, once you extract the folder you will get this setup file. Just double click it and then install the Nexus software. As you can see guys, once Nexus software is downloaded, it's look like this. So now let's customize this Nexus software. So to do that, I'm going to click on this Nexus logo. Once you click that, it will open this preferences window. As you can see, they have some tabs. First I need to change the position. I'm just gonna go to this position tab, and then I'm gonna click this drop down menu. And then I need to go this menu at the bottom, so I'm just going to click on bottom and then I'm going to click on apply, and as you can see it goes to the bottom of my screen. And then the second thing I do is I'm going to change this value to something like that and then hit on apply, and as you can see that menu goes little bit higher. And then I disable all of the sounds, so I'm gonna go to the sounds tab and then I'm gonna click on disable all voices and disable all sound. If you like sounds you can uncheck these things, but I don't like the sounds, so I'm gonna click on disable all voices and all sounds and then I'm gonna click on apply. Okay, then I'm gonna go to the effects tab. As you can see, at effects tab they have this mouse over effect, launch effect, attention effect and delete effect. So from this effects tab you can change these effects. It means first it says mouse over effects. It means once you bring your cursor to a software, how you need to animate that software. So default it says to magnify, but let's change to something like this rock thing, and then I'm going to click on apply. Once you click that, as you can see that application it's get another animation, so I like the previous one, so I'm just gonna put it to the default one and then I'm gonna click on apply. And then you can change launch effect, attention effect and delete effect. So just go through all of these effects and select cool one you like. Don't copy all of my settings, just put your settings you like. So then I'm gonna go to the themes. At themes tab you can change the background. So currently you will get this black background, so you can change it to something like that. So I'm just gonna click on apply and as you can see it get another cool background. So you can put your background, just go through all of these themes and select the best one you like. Actually I like the default one, so I'm just gonna apply that. And then the next step I do is go to the appearance tab. At appearance tab I don't need this black background, so to remove this black background I'm going to click on dock transparency, and then I'm going to change this to 100% and then hit on OK and apply. And as you can see there is no background. I'm gonna change the settings. It means how your this application should look like, your icon. So I'm just gonna go like that and hit on apply. And as you can see it larger the icons. And I think that's pretty much it. You can change with preferences tab. You can go through all of these tabs and you can put your own settings to these tabs. Once you're happy with the settings, you can close the preferences window. Okay, the next step is to remove these other icons, because we don't need these icons. We need to put our own icons. So to do that, you need to right click on the application and click on remove from dock, and then it will open this window. Just hit on yes, and as you can see delete, and then just do the same thing to other icons but except this nexus. Okay guys, I delete all of other icons, and then you can put your own applications to this to animate like this. So just drag and drop the application into animate like that, and you can put your other applications. Okay guys, I put all of my applications to animate, and then I'm gonna delete this nexus icon. So I'm gonna right click on that and click on remove from dock, and then I'm gonna put my computer like that. Okay guys, I put my computer to animate, and then I'm gonna change the icon of this PC to my profile picture. So to do that, you need to right click and click on dock entry properties, and then it will open this properties window. From here you need to click on change icon and click on browse, and go to the location where your profile picture is, and hit on open and click on OK and click on OK. And as you can see it turns to my profile picture. And then the next step is I delete all of my icons in the desktop. So I'm gonna highlight all of these applications and hit on delete, and then I'm gonna remove this PC from my desktop. And then I'm going to hide my taskbar. So to do that, you need to right click on your taskbar and click on settings and turn on this option. And yeah guys, that's how you can make your desktop look like this. And also you can put a very cool background to the desktop. If you like to create a background like this, click the card at the top right corner. Once you click that, you can see how I created this cool background using Photoshop. And yeah guys, that's how I make my desktop more clean and cool. And yeah guys, that's it the video. Please like this video if you like it, and of course please subscribe my channel with the bell so you don't miss any videos when I upload them. Thanks for watching this video until the end. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.